and Congo laugh. I say go back, go tell them about them bumbo clock. Cause them 50 man go get man crap. Yo, well man can't get no milk and we a humble calf. So me nah bother humble a bumbo clock. Man can't get no milk and we a humble calf. So we nah bother humble to wrath. That's how we humble. Them take to feel lump to this time at the jungle. When them hit the lion, none of them can't crumble. Who got the phone? Me go know get it bungle. Long time I run the forward and me ball them never fumble. I feel them come up, that come style man have jungle. It's like them want to hear the big black, them start crumble. Over there from nobody no crumble. Nobody no humble. Well man can't get no milk and we a humble calf. So we nah bother humble a bumbo clad. Man can't get no milk and we a humble calf. So we nah bother humble to wrath. Well we a go move to them, nah go shine no show to them. No for the youth them bust them, gun a hen no can no jail for them. See the devil bail for them, all of him to bail for them. And the youth them dumb so I be a